Are you ready to navigate the world of cryptocurrency and investment strategies?
Today, we're diving into key predictions and insights from leading experts like Jason Calacanis and Ben Armstrong.
That's right. From Bitcoin price targets to the best altcoin investments for 2025, we've got you covered.
Plus, we'll explore the rise of AI coins and what it means for your portfolio.
Let's jump in and learn how to build wealth with the best strategies from these financial experts. The buzz around XRP is building as it inches closer to $4.50.
Indeed, and with Bitcoin close to hitting that 100K milestone, the excitement is palpable.
But can we overlook the struggles of Bitcoin these days?
Not at all. Yet, this creates an opportune moment for altcoins.
XRP's rise seems inevitable as we edge closer to key price targets.
Absolutely. The upcoming changes in SEC leadership could be a game changer for XRP.
So, what concrete basis do we have for this bullish sentiment?
Key price targets and market sentiment suggest XRP may outperform expectations.
The whisper is that XRP may well hit 450 cents soon.
That sounds bold. What's fueling that kind of enthusiasm?
Market movements along with investor sentiment are pointing toward a strong rally.
Bitcoin's fluctuating close to $100 could ignite a broader altcoin run.
So should investors pivot towards altcoins like XRP?
It's all about timing and understanding market momentum. The impending shakeup at the SEC could lead to a more progressive stance on cryptos.
Exactly. This might be the window XRP needs to truly shine.
But how should investors respond to these changes?
BitBoy firmly believes XRP is on a trajectory toward that 450 target.
That's huge. How should investors prepare for this potential jump?
Utilizing profit-taking strategies could be fundamental here.
To summarize, XRP's price potential is tied to both market dynamics and investor actions.
Being informed will be key to capitalizing on this exciting time.
Don't get left behind. Keep your strategies sharp.
The crypto market is more volatile than ever. Have you caught George Tung's important message for investors?
Absolutely. He covers the pivotal shifts we've seen recently that could alter investor trajectories.
But with so much uncertainty, is crypto still worth investing in?
George dives into that question and provides some insightful strategies to navigate these turbulent waters.
So George's primary argument is that adaptation is key here.
Exactly. He believes the most successful investors will be those who keep a watchful eye on both regulations and market trends.
What examples does he provide to back that up?
He highlights recent altcoin rallies as potential areas for growth.
And as the regulatory environment changes, certain cryptos may become more favorable investments. Have you noticed how Bitcoin's price swings have intensified?
Yeah, it's pretty wild. What are the reasons behind that?
George suggests both macroeconomic factors and news cycles significantly influence sentiment.
An investor panic during downturns can lead to more drastic swings.
Regulatory changes are becoming more common. How is that shaping the market?
George notes that new proposed laws can provoke immediate reactions from investors.
Is that driving volatility?
Precisely. Every regulation can send ripples through the market.
What about the lower cap altcoins? Are they still worth looking into?
George believes some have the potential for high ROI.
But I assume it's crucial to do thorough research before diving in.
Absolutely. Due diligence is key.
What does George predict for institutional investment in crypto?
He expects an influx of hedge funds pushing into crypto.
Interesting. Does this suggest potential price stabilization?
Exactly. More institutional dollars could lead to a more resilient market. The overarching message is to be proactive in this volatile market.
Indeed. A keen awareness of changes can make all the difference.
Sounds like research is more vital than ever.
Absolutely. Knowledge is power in investing.
Next, we'll explore the intricacies of crypto taxes and regulations.
Get ready for some actionable advice on tax strategies.
It's a must-watch for every crypto investor.
Michael Saylor believes Bitcoin is about to surge, reaching as high as $180,000. But what's behind this bold claim?
Saylor suggests it's not just speculation. He cites significant corporate action supporting Bitcoin's value.
Wait, he thinks it'll crash afterwards. How does that play into his strategy?
Exactly. Saylor suggests that this volatility could actually represent a strategic opportunity.
Saylor's core argument is that Bitcoin's volatility is not a drawback, but an opportunity.
He emphasizes that it's the first commodity with a fixed supply, setting it apart from precious metals.
How does that translate to actual financial moves for companies?
They're using Bitcoin to enhance liquid asset positions, unlike traditional commodities.
Take MicroStrategy, for instance. They've spent over $1 billion on Bitcoin.
And they're not alone. Companies like Marathon Digital are also heavily investing.
Exactly. These firms see Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and market volatility. Bitcoin's volatility can deter some investors, but also attracts risk takers.
Yet in this volatile space, liquidity is key. The ability to buy or sell quickly is paramount.
Doesn't that just scare off conservative investors, though?
It might, but Saylor argues that understanding this volatility is crucial for potential gains.
Saylor references Trump's recent pick for SEC chair. How could that reshape the landscape?
Atkins has been supportive of crypto. His confirmation could ease fears and encourage more firms to invest.
So changing regulation can actually stabilize the investment climate.
Exactly. Positive regulatory frameworks can foster widespread adoption.
What can we expect moving forward?
Saylor believes Bitcoin will hit that peak, but warns of another drop afterwards.
Is this a cycle we should get used to?
Absolutely. In volatile markets like this, it's crucial to stay alert and adaptive. The key takeaway? Bitcoin is not just a passing trend, it's a significant financial asset.
Exactly. Managing investments in this space means recognizing opportunities amidst the chaos.
So being proactive and informed is the way to go.
Absolutely. And don't forget to keep an eye on market dynamics.
Stay tuned for our urgent deep dive into a new blue chip meme coin that'll shift your crypto strategy.
With insights from Rand Neuner, you won't want to miss this.
And let's explore what this means for your investments moving forward.
Yesterday, there were indicators that Bitcoin might break that elusive $100,000 mark. Did anyone catch that?
Yes, and the breakdown of a new blue chip meme coin that's set to shake up the altcoin market.
Are meme coins actually worth the hype, or is it just another passing trend?
That's the question we're diving into today.
The essence of Rand's message is about recognizing meme coins as a legitimate investment.
And he believes the market is ripe for those willing to take the plunge into lower market cap coins.
Isn't that risky? What if it all crashes down again?
Risk is inherent, but understanding market cycles is key.
Bitcoin is on the brink of something spectacular. Are we looking at $100,000?
The indicators suggest a strong upward trend. Many are positioning themselves for that surge.
But can the volatility handle it? What about the whales?
Whales will always exist, but the retail interest is what fuels the fire. The market is pivoting towards meme coins. They're gaining serious traction.
It's fascinating to see established coins like MOG and others leading the pack.
But can they maintain this momentum against traditional assets?
If history repeats, they might outperform during the next bull run.
Is the market showing signs of fear? It feels different.
Indeed, it's oscillating, but that's normal before major moves.
The sentiment often shifts rapidly, and understanding that is crucial for traders.
So what does Rand predict for these meme coins?
He believes we're about to witness an altcoin season like never before.
Could meme coins outperform Bitcoin during this phase?
Absolutely. It's all about timing and picking the right coins. The takeaway? Keep an eye on those meme coins as potential high returns may arise.
Absolutely. Proactive decisions will be key to capitalizing on these opportunities.
Right, as long as people don't get greedy.
Lark Davis discusses the booming altcoin season, signaling it's time for profit-taking.
Absolutely. He highlights Bitcoin and Ethereum's current challenges and opportunities.
What should investors be aware of during this volatile period?
Great question. Lark points to historical patterns that could repeat.
Lark emphasizes the altcoin season index is currently at 80, indicating a significant opportunity.
He warns, however, that history shows this could change rapidly.
What historical examples does he reference?
He compares it to the March 2021 surge followed by a downturn. Bitcoin is still in a downtrend, and Lark points to $92 as a key resistance.
Interesting. Does he foresee a potential uptrend soon?
Yes, he suggests December may provide some recovery opportunities.
Ethereum is at a critical point just under $3,800.
What does this mean for potential investors?
Lark warns of possible corrections, suggesting caution. A fantastic achievement for Cardano, reaching 1 million transactions.
This scalability is significant. Are there plans for future projects on Cardano?
Yes, more developments are expected in the ecosystem.
Lark predicts the new SEC chair could bring positive changes for the crypto sector.
Are these changes immediate, or will they take time?
While some changes may take time, the outlook is favorable. The key takeaway is to take profits strategically during this season.
And to stay alert to market changes, right?
Exactly. Timing is everything in this volatile space. We want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the altcoin season?
Leave your questions and join the community dialogue below.
Thanks for watching, and let's keep this conversation going.
That was a fantastic dive into the current state of crypto.
Absolutely. Lark, Ran, Michael, George, and BitBoy all brought unique perspectives.
It's so intriguing how they all noticed a shift with altcoins gaining momentum.
And they all stressed the need for flexible investment strategies, which is vital.
But wow, the disagreements about the pace of Bitcoin's rise really stood out.
Right? Some think we might see it soar rapidly while others are more cautious.
And what about the differing views on regulations? Total food for thought.
Exactly. Viewers really need to stay informed and adapt their approaches.
If you found this discussion insightful, smash that like button and subscribe.
By supporting our channel, you ensure we can keep bringing you these valuable insights.
Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to check out our other videos for even more wisdom.